As the world embraces innovation, modern prefab homes have emerged as a transformative solution that offers sustainability, affordability, and adaptability in one complete package. These homes are not only reshaping the residential market but also unlocking new possibilities for commercial and emergency applications, making them a forward-thinking choice for the future of living and working spaces. Modern prefab homes stand out for their eco-friendly construction. Built in controlled factory environments, these homes significantly reduce material waste, optimize energy use, and often incorporate sustainable materials such as recycled steel and eco-friendly insulation panels. Many designs also support solar panels, rainwater collection systems, and high-efficiency windows and doors, contributing to both lower energy consumption and a smaller carbon footprint. Their tight construction and superior insulation improve energy performance throughout their lifespan, enabling homeowners to enjoy reduced heating and cooling costs while living more sustainably. Beyond environmental benefits, modern prefab homes also deliver substantial savings in both time and cost. Traditional home construction is vulnerable to delays caused by weather, labor shortages, and material price fluctuations, often stretching timelines and budgets. In contrast, prefab homes are manufactured off-site in optimized conditions, free from weather disruptions. Once the components are complete, they are transported and assembled on-site within days, drastically cutting down project durations. Factory production also allows for bulk material purchasing and precision engineering, which reduces waste and lowers overall costs, making modern prefab homes a budget-friendly alternative without sacrificing quality or style. The adaptability of modern prefab homes further enhances their appeal. Their modular design and customizable layouts mean they can serve as primary residences, vacation homes, mobile offices, disaster relief shelters, pop-up retail spaces, and more. Their portability and ease of assembly allow them to be deployed in urban backyards, rural retreats, or remote locations, making them ideal for homeowners, businesses, and organizations alike. Whether creating a luxury villa, a construction site office, or a temporary classroom, prefab homes provide flexible, scalable solutions that can adapt to evolving needs. By blending sustainability, affordability, speed, and versatility, modern prefab homes have become a symbol of innovation in the housing industry. They respond not only to the challenges of rising construction costs and environmental concerns but also to the growing need for flexible, customizable living spaces. As society continues to demand smarter, greener, and more affordable housing, modern prefab homes stand at the forefront, offering a vision of housing that is practical, beautiful, and ready for the future.